Are you thinking of starting a YouTube channel but have no idea on what kind of content you want to be putting on your channel? Then don't worry. In this video, we'll give you the different kinds of niches that you can choose from and how to choose from all of them. But first, what's a niche? A niche is a focused, targeted area that you serve particularly well. YouTube is a very big platform, and almost every idea you may think of was already thought of by someone else. So, don't feel intimidated if wanting to choose a niche you realize that there is someone else having it already. The idea is to be original, that's all. So here are the different kind of niches that exist. Number 1, educational channel. You could choose a channel where you educate people on a particular subject or thing you do very well. That is like cooking, maths, English, French, documentaries, guitar, piano, bass, voice, whatever. Whatever you do with excellence, you can teach. Number 2, an entertainment channel. Yeah, you could as well choose to entertain people on your channel. That is via comedy, short films, music covers, vlogs, etc. Anything that is entertaining, you could do that on YouTube. Yeah, I think basically those are the two principal niches from which you could choose on YouTube. Now the next big question is, how do I choose, or how do I know exactly what to choose? So I'm going to give you 2 tips that will help you in choosing a niche. Number 1, follow your passion. Yeah, follow your passion. Do what you love doing. Don't be forced necessarily to do something that is big or great. You could as well start with something you love, with something that is a passion within you, something that you will do a million times even if you were not paid to do so. Follow your passion. Number 2, the best way to start a channel too is simply to look for a problem you have or people have and solve it. For example, YouTube Success Tips is here to help new YouTubers to succeed on YouTube. So you could equally just look for a problem or a major problem you've seen on YouTube and try solving that problem. Maybe it's a video you search yourself and you couldn't find, then you could do a channel about that. Maybe it's a particular topic that people have not yet really posted much on, you could choose to do a channel on that. The idea is to do what you love, something that even if you weren't paid to do, you will keep doing it consistently with love and passion. Thank you very much. This is where we are going to end this video for today. And if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, well, this is YouTube Success Tips, a channel that will help you to succeed on YouTube as an African or a Cameroonian. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell that you might receive updates each time we put a new video on the platform. Do well to share this content with your friends if you think it was helpful, and also make sure you apply the strategies. If you finally found what you want to do videos on, please leave it for me in the comment section below. I will definitely check it out and tell you what I think about it. So thank you very much. See you in my next video.